ये सब आपका है। It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो। Stop working. Stop working. अपने पिता से बात करो। Talk to your father. Talk to your father. बाहर बहुत ठंड है। It's freezing outside. It's freezing outside. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. कृपया अंदर आएं। Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? कपड़ों को साबुन लगा दो। Soap the clothes. Soap the clothes. कपड़ों को ब्रश से साफ करो। Brush the clothes. Brush the clothes. मेरे पास एक आईफोन है। I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए। I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा। I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ। You go yourself. You go yourself. काम को टाल दो। Postpone the work. Postpone the work. मुझे कोहनी मत मारो। Don't nude me. Don't nude me. आग में कभी ना खेलें। Never play with fire. Never play with fire. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो। Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना। Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो। You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं। You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो। Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो। Read out. Read out. समय पर आना। Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना। Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत। Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है। It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है। It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ। Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो, कम विद मी, कम विद मी। हल्ला मत करो, डोंट मेक नॉइस, डोंट मेक नॉइस। लड़ाई मत करो, डोंट फाइट, डोंट फाइट। कोई है क्या, इज समवन देयर, इज समवन देयर। जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, देयर इज नो नीड टू गो, देयर इज नो नीड टू गो। मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ, डोंट मेक मी एंग्री, डोंट मेक मी एंग्री। बुरी आदतें छोड़ दो, गिव अप बैड हैबिट्स, गिव अप बैड हैबिट्स। समझने की कोशिश करो, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। मुझे समझाओ, मेक मी अंडरस्टैंड, मेक मी अंडरस्टैंड। मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ, आई एम सो सैड, आई एम सो सैड। मेरी बात सुनो, लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी। यह मेरा लैपटॉप नहीं है, इट्स नॉट माई लैपटॉप, इट्स नॉट माई लैपटॉप। मैं सहमत हूँ, आई अग्री, आई अग्री। मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ, आई अग्री विद यू, आई अग्री विद यू। मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ, आई डोंट अग्री, आई डोंट अग्री। मैं भी नहीं, मी नीदर, मी नीदर। मुझे बताओ, टेल मी, टेल मी। और बताओ, टेल मी मोर, टेल मी मोर। आप सही कह रहे हैं, यू आर राइट, यू आर राइट। मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता, आई डोंट थिंक सो, आई डोंट थिंक सो। देखेंगे, वी विल सी, वी विल सी। देखेंगे कैसे चलता है, वी विल सी हाउ थिंग्स सो, वी विल सी हाउ थिंग्स सो। मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लगता है, आई लाइक इट हियर, आई लाइक इट हियर। यहाँ आओ, कम हियर, कम हियर। ये मुश्किल है, दिस इज टफ, दिस इज टफ। कुछ चाहिए, नीड एनीथिंग, नीड एनीथिंग। मैं फौरन तुम्हारे पास वापस आऊंगा, आई विल बी राइट बैक, आई विल बी राइट बैक। चिंता मत करो, डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी। इसके लिए चिंता मत करो, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। मुझे खेद है, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी। मुझे माफ करना, मैं देर से आया, आई एम सॉरी आई वॉज लेट, आई एम सॉरी आई वॉज लेट। बहुत बढ़िया, गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब। मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए, आई नीड अ ब्रेक, आई नीड अ ब्रेक। मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू बेड, आई एम गोइंग टू बेड। मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग आउट, आई एम गोइंग आउट। मैं बाहर टहलने जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग आउट फॉर अ वॉक, आई एम गोइंग आउट फॉर अ वॉक। साथ चलना चाहते हो, वॉन्ट टू जॉइन मी, वॉन्ट टू जॉइन मी। 1 घंटे में वापस आ जाना, बी बैक इन एन आवर, बी बैक इन एन आवर। आपका दिन कैसा रहा, How was your day? How was your day? मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा रहा. I had a great day. I had a great day. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? कैसा चल रहा है? How is it going? How's it going? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? आज रात फिल्म देखना है. Want to watch a movie tonight? Want to watch a movie tonight? मुझे देर हो जाएगी. I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna be late. कार्यक्रम कैसा रहा? How did the event go? How did the event go? सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. क्या इस हफ्ते लंच के लिए फ्री हो? Are you free for lunch this week? Are you free for lunch this week? हमें जल्द ही इकट्ठा होना चाहिए. We should get together soon. We should get together soon. कुछ चाहिए हो तो मुझे बताना. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. आओ मैं तुम्हें उससे मिलवाता हूँ. Let me introduce you to her. Let me introduce you her. जल्द ही बात करते हैं. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. शुभ रात्रि. Have a good night. Have a good night. अपना ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. कपड़े पहन लो. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. बिस्तर से निकलो. Get out of bed. Get out of bed. अपना बिस्तर सही कर दो. Make your bed. Make your bed. अपने जूतों के फीते बांधो. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. कपड़े बदल लो. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. कहानी सुनाओ. Tell a story. Tell a story. Lights बंद करो. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ. I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. समय पर आना. Be on time. Be on time. मेरा फ़ोन कहाँ है? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? किसी का फ़ोन आ रहा है. Someone is calling. Someone is calling. ठीक है, मैं समय पर आऊँगा. Okay, I'll be on the time. Okay, I'll be on the time. आप तैयार हो जाओ. You get ready. You get ready. मैं अभी खाना बनाती हूँ. I'll cook food right now. I'll cook food right now. क्या हुआ आपको? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking something. I am asking something. वह हमें देख रहा है. He is looking at us. He is looking at us. इस बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचो. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. वह किस लिए था? What was that for? What was that for? तुम कैसे गए थे? How did you go? How did you go? वह कल आई थी. She came yesterday. She came yesterday. मैं नहीं गया था. I did not go. I did not go. क्या तुम गए थे? Did you go? Did you go? मैं कल उससे मिलने गया था. I went to meet her yesterday. I went to meet her yesterday. क्या वह आई थी? Did she come? Did she come? मैं कल गया था. I went yesterday. I went yesterday. मैंने नहीं पूछा. I did not ask. I did not ask. उसने मुझे बताया था. She told me. She told me. वह गई थी. She went. She went. क्या आप वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? मैंने उससे पूछा था. I asked her. I asked her. उसने नहीं बताया. She did not tell. She did not tell. तुमने पूछा या नहीं? Did you ask or not? Did you ask or not? कल मैं लखनऊ गया था. I went to Lucknow yesterday. I went to Lucknow yesterday. मैं रास्ते में था. I was on the way. I was on the way. वह मेरे बगल में खड़ी थी. She was standing beside me. She was standing beside me. वह घर जा रहा था. He was going home. He was going home. वह मुझे बुला रही थी. She was calling me. She was calling me. मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ देख रहा था. I was looking at you. I was looking at you. मैंने आपको सुना नहीं था. I did not hear you. I did not hear you. तुम आए नहीं थे. You did not come. You did not come. तुमने मुझे बुलाया नहीं था. You did not invite. You did not invite. मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. I did not think so. I did not think so. मैंने उसे रास्ते में देखा था. I saw him on the way. I saw him on the way. आपका स्वागत है. You are welcome. You are welcome. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your bags. Pack your bags. मेरी कमीज धो दो. Wash my shirt. Wash my shirt. बड़ों का आदर करो. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. समझ गए. Got it. Got it. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. कभी कभार. Hardly. Hardly. अभी नहीं. Not now. Not now. झगड़ा मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. अभी तुरंत. Right now. Right now. ड्राइविंग सीख लो. Learn driving. Learn driving. कचरा मत फैलाओ. Don't litter. Don't litter. बिस्तर लगा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. बोर्ड की तरफ देखो. Look at the board. Look at the board. भगवान का शुक्र है. Thank God. Thank God. यह भरा हुआ है. It's full. It's full. यह खाली है. It's empty. It's empty. आज कौन नहीं आया? Who is absent today? Who is absent today? पानी गरम कर दो. Heat the water. Heat the water. मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. मुझसे मिलो. Meet me. Meet me. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? मेरी राय में. In my opinion. In my opinion. गाली मत दो. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. उसे अंदर भेजो. Send him in. Send him in. मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. तुम गिर जाओगे. You may fall down. You may fall down. तुम्हें सो जाना चाहिए. You should sleep. You should sleep. तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. You are lying. You are lying. मैं मजबूर हूँ. I am helpless. I am helpless. यह हानिकारक है. It's injurious. It's injurious. तुम शायद सही हो. You may be right. You may be right. वह अच्छी लड़की है. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. वह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. यह अच्छा है। It's good. It's good. कुछ भी तो नहीं। Nothing at all. Nothing at all. हमारा क्या? What about us? What about us? जरा यहाँ आना। Please come here. Please come here. इसमें वक्त लगेगा। It will take time. It will take time. उसे छोड़ो। Leave him. Leave him. अच्छा विचार है। Good idea. Good idea. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? हल्ला मत करो। Don't make noise. Don't make noise. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो। Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे बदल दो। Change it. Change it. सच बोलो। Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. समय पर आना। Be on time. Be on time. मेरा फ़ोन कहाँ है? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? किसी का फ़ोन आ रहा है। Someone is calling. Someone is calling. ठीक है, मैं समय पर आऊँगा। Okay, I'll be on the time. Okay, I'll be on the time. आप तैयार हो जाओ। You get ready. You get ready. मैं अभी खाना बनाती हूँ। I'll cook food right now. I'll cook food right now. क्या हुआ आपको? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking something. I am asking something. वह हमें देख रहा है। He is looking at us. He is looking at us. इस बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचो। Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. वह किस लिए था? What was that for? What was that for? तुम कैसे गए थे? How did you go? How did you go? वह कल आई थी। She came yesterday. She came yesterday. मैं नहीं गया था। I did not go. I did not go. क्या तुम गए थे? Did you go? Did you go? मैं कल उससे मिलने गया था। I went to meet her yesterday. I went to meet her yesterday. क्या वह आई थी? Did she come? Did she come? मैं कल गया था। I went yesterday. I went yesterday. मैंने नहीं पूछा। I did not ask. I did not ask. उसने मुझे बताया था। She told me. She told me. वह गई थी। She went. She went. क्या आप वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? मैंने उससे पूछा था। I asked her. I asked her. उसने नहीं बताया। She did not tell. She did not tell. तुमने पूछा या नहीं? Did you ask or not? Did you ask or not? कल मैं लखनऊ गया था। I went to Lucknow yesterday. I went to Lucknow yesterday. मैं रास्ते में था. I was on the way. I was on the way. वह मेरे बगल में खड़ी थी. She was standing beside me. She was standing beside me. वह घर जा रहा था. He was going home. He was going home. वह मुझे बुला रही थी. She was calling me. She was calling me. मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ देख रहा था. I was looking at you. I was looking at you. मैंने आपको सुना नहीं था. I did not hear you. I did not hear you. तुम आए नहीं थे. You did not come. You did not come. तुमने मुझे बुलाया नहीं था. You did not invite. You did not invite. मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. I did not think so. I did not think so. मैंने उसे रास्ते में देखा था. I saw him on the way. I saw him on the way. यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. यह अच्छा है. It's good. It's good. कुछ भी तो नहीं. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. हमारा क्या? What about us? What about us? जरा यहाँ आना. Please come here. Please come here. इसमें वक्त लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. उसे छोड़ो. Leave him. Leave him. अच्छा विचार है. Good idea. Good idea. बड़बड़ाओ मत. Don't mumble. Don't mumble. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. वह वापस आ रहा है. He is coming back. He is coming back. इसे यहाँ रखो. Put it here. Put it here. वह जल्दी आ जाएगा. He will come soon. He will come soon. मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. हमें जल्दी जाना है. We have to go soon. We have to go soon. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे आपका समय चाहिए. I need your time. I need your time. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. अब सच बोलो. Now tell the truth. Now tell the truth. मुझे छुओ मत. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. इसे छुओ मत. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उन्हें और दिखाओ. Show them more. Show them more. तुम किस्मत वाले हो. You are lucky. You are lucky. आपको भी, you too, you too. अंधेरा हो रहा है, it's getting dark, it's getting dark. कितनी बुरी बात है, how terrible, how terrible. कितनी अपमान की बात है, how disgraceful, how disgraceful. कितनी फिजूल की बात है, how absurd, how absurd. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत, how dare he, how dare he. एक बार ही काफी था, once was enough, once was enough. लोग अजीब हैं, people are strange, people are strange. लाइन में लग जाओ, get into the line, get into the line. लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं, people are starving, people are starving. क्यों नहीं, why not, why not. थोड़ा सा भी नहीं, not even a little bit, not even a little bit. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो, tell them everything, tell them everything. कितना प्यारा है, how lovely, how lovely. कितने दुख की बात है, how tragic, how tragic. कितना घटिया, how disgusting, how disgusting. क्या मुसीबत है, what a bother, what a bother. मैं डर गया था, I was scared, I was scared. अब चाहे जो हो जाए, come what may, come what may. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ, I am leaving now, I am leaving now. कुछ खास नहीं, nothing much, nothing much. भरोसा रखो, keep trust, keep trust. बिल्कुल भी नहीं, not the least, not the least. पास आओ, come close, come close. तुरंत जाओ, go immediately, go immediately. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ, drive slowly, drive slowly. दिल रखो, have a heart, have a heart. जगह खाली करो, vacate the place, vacate the place. जुबान पर काबू रखो, hold your tongue, hold your tongue. काफी बेहतर है, much better, much better. मुंह मत बनाओ, don't make faces, don't make faces. आप नाराज हैं क्या, are you angry, are you angry. कृपया उत्तर दो, आंसर प्लीज, आंसर प्लीज. क्या हम शुरू करें, शुड वी बिगिन, शुड वी बिगिन. आप जा सकते हैं, यू कैन गो, यू कैन गो. मुझे अनुमति दें, अलाउ मी, अलाउ मी. अपना काम करो, डू योर वर्क, डू योर वर्क. पूरे मन से काम करो, वर्क होल हार्टेडली, वर्क होल हार्टेडली. विनम्रता से बात करें, स्पीक पोलाइटली, स्पीक पोलाइटली. सुधर जाओ, मेंड योर वेज, मेंड योर वेज. पर्दा करो, ड्रॉ अ कर्टन, ड्रॉ अ कर्टन. सावधानी से चलना है, वॉक केयरफुली, वॉक केयरफुली. बाद में जाना, go later, go later. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो, let go of my hand, let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो, let me go, let me go. थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ, stay a little longer, stay a little longer. मैंने गलती की, I made a mistake, I made a mistake. तुम कुछ भी करो, you do anything, you do anything. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, I don't care, I don't care. मम्मी मुझे डांटती है, Mom scolds me, Mom scolds me. यह कैसे मुमकिन है, How is this possible, How is this possible. क्या तुमने कोशिश की, Have you tried, Have you tried. यह मेरे लिए मुश्किल है, This is difficult for me, This is difficult for me. यह मेरे लिए आसान है, This is easy for me, This is easy for me. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है, It's not a cup of tea for you, It's not a cup of tea for you. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, I liked it a lot, I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो, Let her speak, Let her speak. इसे सही करो, Fix it, Fix it. इसे अभी करो, Do it now, Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ, I am sleeping, I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है, He is very nice, He is very nice. इसे ले लो, Take it, Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो, You are very good, You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो, Are you ready, Are you ready. क्या तुमने देखा, Did you see it, Did you see it. हमें यह चाहिए, We need this, We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए, I want this, I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो, Do it carefully, Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है, Is he here, Is he here. मुझे यह पसंद है, I like this, I like this. तुमने क्या कहा, What did you say, What did you say. मुझे समझ नहीं आया, I didn't understand, I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो, Keep it with me, Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा, When will he come, When will he come. यह बहुत अच्छा है, This is very good, This is very good. उसे बताओ, Tell him, Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो, Put it down, Put it down. तुम क्या कर रहे हो, What are you doing, What are you doing. वह कहाँ जा रहा है, Where is he going, Where is he going. मुझे यह पसंद है, I like this, I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है, We have to wait, We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है, He is working, He is working. मुझे मत बताओ, Don't tell me, Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए, I need this, I need this. इसे ठीक करो, Fix this, Fix this. यह सही है, This is right, This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ, Tell me something, Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है. We have to do this. We have to do this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ. Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. हमें जाना होगा. We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. हमें जाना है. We have to go. We have to go. यह मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे वह पसंद है. I like that. I like that. यह आसान है. This is easy. This is easy. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे वहीं रखो. Keep it there. Keep it there. वह कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? हमें जल्दी करना है. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. मुझे बुलाओ. Call me. Call me. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? इसे ठीक करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी ले लो. Take it now. Take it now. मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. वह यहाँ नहीं है. He is not here. He is not here. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? इसे बाद में करो. Do it later. Do it later. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. हमें उसे बुलाना है. We have to call him. We have to call him. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving. I am leaving. संभल के. Watch out. Watch out. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा. I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ. You go yourself. You go yourself. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो. Read out. Read out. समय पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना. Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना. Remind me later. Remind me later. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो. You are very talkative. You are very talkative. मेरी बात सुनो, listen to me, listen to me. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ, erase it, erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो? You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ. I am already stressed. I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और तुम? I am great and you? I am great and you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. अच्छा खाओ. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. थोड़ी देर इंतज़ार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चलें. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? यह हमारा कर्तव्य है. It's our duty. It's our duty. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. विनम्रता से बात करें. Speak politely. Speak politely. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. It's not a cup of tea for you. It's not a cup of tea for you. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत? How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? क्या आप हमारे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Are you talking about us? Are you talking about us? मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. क्या आप उस व्यक्ति को जानते हैं? Do you know that person? Do you know that person? कृपया इसे सावधानी पूर्वक करें. Please do this carefully. Please do this carefully. मेरे पास अभी समय नहीं है. I don't have time right now. I don't have time right now. कृपया मुझे इस पते पर ले चलें. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. मुझे उसके बारे में सोचने दीजिए. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. चलो अंग्रेजी का अभ्यास करते हैं. Come on, let's practice English. Come on, let's practice English. आपकी मदद के लिए धन्यवाद. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. वह एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं. They like each other. They like each other. एक दूसरे की मदद करो. Help each other. Help each other. दोबारा सोच लो. Think again. Think again. कुछ खाने के लिए ले आओ. Bring something to eat. Bring something to eat. तुम जा सकते हो. You can go now. You can go now. तुम नहीं जा सकते. You can't go. You can't go. आज तारीख क्या है? What is today's date? What is today's date? आपका मास्क कहाँ है? Where is your mask? Where is your mask? अपनी नजरें नीची रखो. Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. देर मत करना. Don't delay. Don't delay. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? बोलो कहाँ जाना है? Tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. पेज मत फाड़ो. Don't tear the page. Don't tear the page. किसी कीमत पर नहीं. Not at any cost. Not at any cost. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. पागल हो क्या? Are you mad? Are you mad? तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? सबसे पूछो. Ask everyone. Ask everyone. मुझे जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need. I don't need. क्या तुम्हें जरूरत है? Do you need? Do you need? मुझे बता देना. Let me know. Let me know. तुम कब पहुंचोगे? When will you arrive? When will you arrive? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. यह बहुत गर्म है. It is very hot. It is very hot. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. There is no one here. There is no one here. यह संभव है. This is possible. This is possible. यह असंभव है. This is impossible. This is impossible. कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. समय बताओ. Tell me the time. Tell me the time. बस एक मिनट. Just a minute. Just a minute. सच बोलो. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. सीखते रहो. Keep learning. Keep learning. फिर मिलेंगे. See you. See you. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? वह मर गया. He died. He died. सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ. Very sad to hear. Very sad to hear. ज्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be too smart. Don't be too smart. यह बहुत आसान है. It's very easy. It's very easy. आप सीख जाओगे. You will learn. You will learn. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. It's too late. क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूं? Can I give you a hand? Can I give you a hand? क्या हम चैट कर सकते हैं? Can we chat? Can we chat? मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. वह अब नहीं रही. She is no more. She is no more. नाना जी अब नहीं रहे। ग्रैंडपा इज नो मोर। ग्रैंडपा इज नो मोर। मैं आपका सम्मान करता हूँ। आई रिस्पेक्ट यू। आई रिस्पेक्ट यू। कृपया मुझे क्षमा कर दीजिए। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी। खुद पर विश्वास करो। बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ। बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ। जोर से बोलिए। स्पीक लाउडली। स्पीक लाउडली। आगे देखो। लुक अहेड। लुक अहेड। पीछे देखो। लुक बैक। लुक बैक। मेरे बाद दोहराओ। रिपीट आफ्टर मी। रिपीट आफ्टर मी। मैं आपकी प्रतीक्षा करूंगा। आई विल वेट फॉर यू। आई विल वेट फॉर यू। आप वहीं ठहरना। यू स्टे देयर। यू स्टे देयर। आपको कौन सा पसंद है? विच वन डू यू लाइक? विच वन डू यू लाइक? मुझे तो यह वाला पसंद है। आई लाइक दिस वन। आई लाइक दिस वन। सावधान रहो। बी केयरफुल। बी केयरफुल। चिंता मत करो। डोंट वरी। डोंट वरी। मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। आई एम विद यू। आई एम विद यू। सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन। एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन। मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ। आई एम बिगर देन यू। आई एम बिगर देन यू। मैं इसे कल करूँगा। आई विल डू इट टुमारो। आई विल डू इट टुमारो। हमारे कई अच्छे दोस्त हैं। वी हैव मैनी गुड फ्रेंड्स। वी हैव मैनी गुड फ्रेंड्स। चलो पार्क में चलते हैं। कम ऑन लेट्स गो टू द पार्क। कम ऑन लेट्स गो टू द पार्क। मुझे कुछ भी नहीं कहना है। आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू से। आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू से। मेरा एक बड़ा परिवार है। आई हैव अ बिग फैमिली। आई हैव अ बिग फैमिली। वह मुझसे नाराज है। ही इज एंग्री विद मी। ही इज एंग्री विद मी। मैं जाना चाहूंगा। आई वुड लाइक टू गो। आई वुड लाइक टू गो। मुझे प्यास लगी है। आई एम थर्स्टी। आई एम थर्स्टी। मुझे भूख लगी है। आई एम हंग्री। आई एम हंग्री। बाद में मिलते हैं। सी यू लेटर। सी यू लेटर। यह आपका काम नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट योर जॉब। दिस इज नॉट योर जॉब। मेरे पास एक कार है। आई हैव अ कार। आई हैव अ कार। कृपया दरवाजा बंद करें। प्लीज क्लोज द डोर। प्लीज क्लोज द डोर। तुम हमेशा मुझे देर करवाते हो। यू ऑलवेज मेक मी लेट। यू ऑलवेज मेक मी लेट। आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? वट डू यू वॉन्ट टू बिकम? वट डू यू वॉन्ट टू बिकम? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? वट आर यू थिंकिंग? वट आर यू थिंकिंग? आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? वट इज योर फेवरेट कलर? वट इज योर फेवरेट कलर? कुछ बड़ा करने की सोचो। थिंक ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग बिग। थिंक ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग बिग। मेरा पसंदीदा दिन रविवार है। माई फेवरेट डे इज संडे। माई फेवरेट डे इज संडे। वह बहुत अच्छा गा सकती है। शी कैन सिंग वेरी वेल। शी कैन सिंग वेरी वेल। वह उसे बहुत पसंद करता है। ही लाइक्स हर वेरी मच। ही लाइक्स हर वेरी मच। आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रही हैं। You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. रोज नई चीज सीखो. Learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. आप कौन सी भाषा बोलते हैं? Which language do you speak? Which language do you speak? आज आप कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? क्या आपको मेरे बाल पसंद हैं? Do you like my hair? Do you like my hair? मुझे इस बारे में पहले से ही पता था. I already knew about this. I already knew about this. क्या आप डांस करना चाहोगे? Would you like to dance? Would you like to dance? आज मेरा दिन खराब था. I had a bad day today. I had a bad day today. मुझे मजबूर मत करो. Don't compel me. Don't compel me. आपके बगल में कौन था? Who was next to you? Who was next to you? आप अजीब व्यवहार कर रहे हैं. You are acting weird. You are acting weird. उसका मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't mock him. Don't mock him. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. I can't do so. I can't do so. मुझे यकीन नहीं था. I was not sure. I was not sure. यह मेरे लिए नहीं है. That's not for me. That's not for me. ईश्वर पर अपना विश्वास बनाए रखें. Keep your faith in God. Keep your faith in God. तुमने यह बड़ी चतुराई से किया. You did it tactfully. You did it tactfully. इसे समय पर छोड़ दो. Leave it on time. Leave it on time. म्यूजिक धीमा कर दो. Turn the music down. Turn the music down. आप मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. यह मुश्किल नहीं है. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. चलो खत्म करते हैं. Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. हम यहीं फंस गए हैं. We are stuck here. We are stuck here. मुझे समय का ध्यान ही नहीं रहा. I lost track of time. I lost track of time. यह मेरी शराफत है. It's my decency. It's my decency. अपना गुस्सा थूक दो. Spit out your anger. Spit out your anger. अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. It's now or never. It's now or never. यह किसका मोबाइल है? Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? यह मेरा मोबाइल है. It's my mobile. It's my mobile. यह मोबाइल मेरा है. This mobile is mine. This mobile is mine. मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है. I have bad luck. I have bad luck. मुझे उससे मिलना है. I must meet him. I must meet him. क्या तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? Are not you ashamed? Are not you ashamed? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's so late. It's so late. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. यह मेरे लिए है. This is for me. This is for me. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Concentrate on your study. Concentrate on your study. वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. तुम अपनी माँ जैसी दिखती हो. You look like your mother. You look like your mother. इतना मत हंसो. Don't laugh so much. Don't laugh so much. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Have you tried? Have you tried? अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. किसी पर भरोसा मत करो. Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone. मेरी तरफ मत देखो. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. मुझे वापस कॉल करो. Call me back. Call me back. आपका मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? सबको अंदर ले जाओ. Get everyone inside. Get everyone inside. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? वह कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? कोई परेशानी? Any problem? Any problem? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? Where to go? इसे वापस रख दो. Keep it back. Keep it back. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? बाहर जाओ. Go outside. Go outside. तुम क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. इसे जारी रखो. Keep it up. Keep it up. मेरे पास आओ. Come close to me. Come close to me. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मेरे पास शब्द नहीं हैं. I am speechless. I am speechless. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. यह गिलास झूठा है. It is a used glass. It is a used glass. तुमने मेरी नाक कटवा दी. You let me down. You let me down. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मैं तुम्हें थप्पड़ मार दूंगा. I will slap you. I will slap you. मुझे वहां ले चलो। टेक मी देयर। टेक मी देयर। मेरी बात लिख लो। मार्क माई वर्ड्स। मार्क माई वर्ड्स। मुझे घर ले चलो। टेक मी होम। टेक मी होम। आगे आगे चलो। वॉक अहेड। वॉक अहेड। इसे पहनो। पुट दिस ऑन। पुट दिस ऑन। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक्स अ लॉट। थैंक्स अ लॉट। मेरी बात सुनो। लिसन टू मी। लिसन टू मी। हिचकिचाओ मत। डोंट हेजिटेट। डोंट हेजिटेट। समझने की कोशिश करो। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। समथिंग इज फिशी। समथिंग इज फिशी। मुझे वहां ले चलो। टेक मी देयर। टेक मी देयर। क्या तुमने कोशिश की? डिड यू ट्राई? डिड यू ट्राई? मुझे घर ले चलो। टेक मी होम। टेक मी होम। आगे आगे चलो। वॉक अहेड। वॉक अहेड। ये सब आपका है। इट्स ऑल योर्स। इट्स ऑल योर्स। काम करना बंद करो। स्टॉप वर्किंग। स्टॉप वर्किंग। तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो। Try at once. Try at once. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. मेरे साथ चलो। Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो। Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो। Don't fight. Don't fight. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है। I feel bad. I feel bad. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? गुस्सा मत हो। Don't get angry. Don't get angry. तुम्हारी क्या समस्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मेरी तरफ देखो। Look at me. Look at me. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो। You are misunderstanding me. You are misunderstanding me. यह सुनने में अच्छा लगता है। This sounds good. This sounds good. मुझे आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई। I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. चलो वापस चलें। Let's go back. Let's go back. यह किताब पढ़ो। Read this book. Read this book. फोन बज रहा है। Phone is ringing. Phone is ringing. पता नहीं चला। Don't realize. Don't realize. अचानक सब रुका। Suddenly everything stopped. Suddenly everything stopped. दीवार पर टंगी है। It's hang on the wall. It's hang on the wall. कमरा साफ है. Room is clean. Room is clean. मौसम अच्छा है. Weather is nice. Weather is nice. बात मत करो. Don't talk. Don't talk. नोट लिख लो. Take a note. Take a note. यह मत भूलो. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. पैसे गिन लो. Count the money. Count the money. सब चेक कर लो. Check everything. Check everything. सीट बेल्ट बांधो. Buckle up. Buckle up. चाय पी लो. Have some tea. Have some tea. चाबियां मत भूलना. Don't forget the keys. Don't forget the keys. बिल्ली खा रही है. The cat is eating. The cat is eating. कुत्ता बाहर है. The dog is outside. The dog is outside. मैं दवाई ले रहा. I am taking medicine. I am taking medicine. बाजार बंद है. The market is closed. The market is closed. अलार्म बज रहा है. The alarm is ringing. The alarm is ringing. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. रोटी बना लो. Make some rotis. Make some rotis. मोबाइल चार्ज करो. Charge the mobile. Charge the mobile. किताबें रख दो. Put away the books. Put away the books. पानी उबाल दो. Boil the water. Boil the water. बच्चे सो रहे हैं. The children are sleeping. The children are sleeping. दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Close the door. Close the door. लाइट जलाना मत भूलो. Don't forget to turn on the light. Don't forget to turn on the light. ध्यान से चलो. Walk carefully. Walk carefully. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. तुम्हारी बारी है. It's your turn. It's your turn. अखबार पढ़ लो. Read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. जल्दी करो, देर हो रही है. Hurry up, it's getting late. Hurry up, it's getting late. सूरज निकल आया है. The sun has risen. The sun has risen. चाय तैयार है. The tea is ready. The tea is ready. मुझे याद नहीं है. I don't remember. I don't remember. सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. आज क्या पकाऊं? What should I cook today? What should I cook today? मुझे वह पसंद है. I like that. I like that. खाना तैयार है. Food is ready. Food is ready. किताबें वापस कर दो. Return the books. Return the books. कॉफी गरम है. Coffee is hot. Coffee is hot. मैं अभी आया. I just came. I just came. रास्ता बंद है. Road is closed. Road is closed. चाबी यहाँ रखो. Keep the key here. Keep the key here. बिल्ली भाग गई. Cat has run away. Cat has run away. बटन दबाओ अभी. Press the button now. Press the button now. छत पर जाओ. Go to the roof. Go to the roof. मुझे भूख लगी. I am hungry. I am hungry. चलो खाना खाएं. Let's eat food. Let's eat food. मैंने तुम्हें देखा. I saw you. I saw you. आवाज कम करो. Lower the volume. Lower the volume. सड़क पार करो. Cross the road. Cross the road. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. चलो तैयार हो जाओ. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. बस यहीं रुको. Stop right here. Stop right here. मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. बच के. Watch out. Watch out. इसे आजमाओ. Try this. Try this. यह मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. चलो चलें. Let's walk. Let's walk. यह बहुत ठंडा है. It's very cold. It's very cold. यह गर्म है. It's hot. It's hot. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. फोन करो. Make a call. Make a call. फोन मत करो. Don't call. Don't call. तस्वीर लो. Take a picture. Take a picture. तस्वीर मत लो. Don't take a picture. Don't take a picture. वीडियो बनाओ. Make a video. Make a video. यह रास्ता नहीं है. This is not the way. This is not the way. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. इसे बंद करो. Close this. Close this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. इसे मत ठीक करो. Don't fix this. Don't fix this. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. यह मेरा नहीं है. This is not mine. This is not mine. अब समय नहीं है. There is no time now. There is no time now. दरवाजा खोल दो अभी. Open the door now. Open the door now. पानी गिर गया है. Water has spilled. Water has spilled. लाइट बंद कर दो. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. धीरे बोलो. Speak softly. Speak softly. तेज बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो. Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. चाबी कहाँ है? Where is the key? Where is the key? पानी पियो. Drink water. Drink water. बिल कितना है? How much is the bill? How much is the bill? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. यह बहुत महंगा है. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. रास्ता बताओ. Show the way. Show the way. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. किताबें कहाँ हैं? Where are the books? Where are the books? इसे साफ करो. Clean this. Clean this. अभी रुको. Stop now. Stop now. आगे बढ़ो, मूव फॉरवर्ड, मूव फॉरवर्ड, पीछे हटो, मूव बैक, मूव बैक, इसे जल्दी करो, डू इट क्विकली, डू इट क्विकली, इंतजार करो, वेट, वेट, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do? What can I do? मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. मैं आपको नहीं जानता. I don't know you. I don't know you. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूंगी. I will call you later. I will call you later. आज मुझे कोई काम नहीं है. I have no work today. I have no work today. आज कहीं घूमने चलें? Go somewhere today. Go somewhere today. आपने ऐसा कैसे कहा? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. मैं कल रात देर से सोया था. I slept late last night. I slept late last night. मुझे इसे ठीक करने दो. Let me arrange it. Let me arrange it. मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. बिस्तर ठीक कर दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. बिस्तर पर आ जाओ. Get on the bed. Get on the bed. मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do it. I want to do it. जैसा मैं कहता हूँ वैसा करो. Do as I say. Do as I say. कहाँ से मिला ये तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ. Whatever happened was good. Whatever happened was good. ये तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. काश कि मैं वहां जा पाता. I wish I could go there. I wish I could go there. क्या आप सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? दाल में कुछ काला है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. बात करने में क्या जाता है? What goes to talk? What goes to talk? इसी बात पर एक चाय हो जाए. This calls for a tea. This calls for a tea. कुछ तो रहम करो. Have a heart. Have a heart. मेरी पूरी बात सुनो. Hear me out. Hear me out. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. देखो और सीखो. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. मुझे देखो. Look at me. वह मेरा है. That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें. Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ. Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं. Don't go. Don't go. खुश रहो. Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. वह अच्छा लग रहा है. He looks good. He looks good. कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलें. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. जल्दी मिलेंगे. See you soon. See you soon. अब क्या? What now? What now? मेरा भरोसा करो. Believe me. Believe me. बहुत बढ़िया. Too good. Too good. किस लिए? What for? What for? इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. उसे यहाँ लाओ. Get it here. Get it here. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. I will try. I will try. हमेशा सच बोलो. Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth. हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't give up. Don't give up. पैदल जाओ. Go on foot. Go on foot. यह बहुत ही आसान है. It's a breeze. It's a breeze. मैं कान खोल कर सुन रही हूँ. I am all ears. I am all ears. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will always be with you. I will always be with you. कुछ भी ले आओ. Bring anything. Bring anything.